How do you repair drywall corner beads like a pro? Imagine walking into a room and noticing a cracked or damaged corner. It can really throw off the look of your walls. Fixing drywall corner beads might seem tricky, but with the right steps, you can do it yourself and get professional results. First, clear the area by removing furniture and covering the floor with a drop cloth to keep dust off your floors. Gather your tools: a utility knife, a putty knife, drywall screws, joint compound, sandpaper, and safety gear like gloves and goggles. Start by scoring along the damaged corner beads edges and fasteners with the utility knife. Carefully pry off the broken bead using a putty knife or pry bar. Check the drywall underneath for damage. If the drywall is cracked or crumbling, patch it with some joint compound and a piece of drywall if needed. Once the area is clean and dry, pick a new corner bead that matches your wall. Metal, vinyl, and paper-faced corner beads are common options. Position the new bead so it sits flush against the drywall at a perfect 90-degree angle. Secure it with drywall screws spaced about 12 inches apart. Use a drill with a screwdriver bit for faster work. Now, apply a generous layer of joint compound over the entire corner bead with a wide putty knife. Feather the edges so the compound blends smoothly into the wall. Let this first coat dry completely, which usually takes about 24 hours. Once dry, lightly sand the area to remove any ridges or bumps. Apply a second, thinner coat of joint compound, extending it further out from the corner to create a seamless transition. After it dries, sand again for a smooth finish. Repeat with a third coat if necessary, always sanding between coats. When the surface is perfectly smooth, wipe away any dust with a damp cloth. Prime the area with a good quality primer to seal the joint compound. Once the primer is dry, paint the corner to match the rest of your wall. For a professional look, make sure the corner bead is perfectly aligned and flush. Use a wide drywall knife for feathering the joint compound smoothly. Sand lightly between coats to keep the surface even. Always wear safety gear to protect from dust particles. Regularly check your corner beads for damage and repair as needed to keep your walls looking sharp. Following these steps carefully will help you repair drywall corner beads like a pro, giving your home a clean, finished look that lasts.